From College to Millionaire by 25. My journey to financial freedom. My journey to becoming a millionaire started with a vision and an unwavering determination. From a young age, I dreamed of financial independence and the freedom it brings. This ambition fueled my drive to seek opportunities, make strategic decisions, and stay committed to achieving my financial goals. Growing up, my aspirations were vast and varied. I envisioned a life where I could not only fulfill my dreams, but also support my loved ones. These early ambitions set the stage for my relentless pursuit of success and the desire to make a meaningful impact in the world. Setting financial goals was a pivotal step in my journey. Clear, actionable objectives provided a roadmap for my endeavors, allowing me to measure progress and stay focused. These goals served as milestones, guiding my decisions and keeping me motivated even during challenging times. Discovering my passion was a transformative moment. It aligned my interests with my financial pursuits, making the journey more fulfilling. Passion fueled my energy and creativity, turning work into a labor of love and driving me to excel in my chosen field, ultimately leading to financial success. Education played a crucial role in my financial journey. Acquiring knowledge and skills empowered me to make informed decisions and seize opportunities. Continuous learning, both formal and informal, equipped me with the tools needed to navigate the complexities of the financial world and achieve my millionaire aspirations. Choosing the right career path was pivotal in my journey. It wasn't just about finding a high-paying job, but aligning my profession with my passions and strengths. By doing so, I ensured long-term satisfaction and growth, which translated into financial success and personal fulfillment. Networking and connections played a crucial role in my financial journey. Building relationships with the right people opened doors to opportunities I wouldn't have found otherwise. These connections provided valuable insights, advice, and sometimes even direct paths to new ventures, investments, and partnerships. A strong work ethic was foundational in achieving my financial goals. I consistently went above and beyond in my efforts, often working long hours and tackling challenges head-on. This dedication not only impressed my peers and superiors, but also set the stage for my entrepreneurial endeavors. Embracing risk and uncertainty became a necessary part of my journey. Financial success often lies outside the comfort zone, requiring bold decisions and a willingness to face potential failure. By taking calculated risks, I discovered new opportunities and learned invaluable lessons that propelled my growth. Learning from financial mistakes was an essential aspect of my development. Instead of being discouraged by setbacks, I viewed them as learning experiences. Analyzing what went wrong and how to avoid similar pitfalls in the future helped refine my strategies and improve my financial acumen. The power of saving and budgeting cannot be overstated. Establishing a disciplined approach to managing money ensures a solid financial foundation. By tracking expenses and setting aside a portion of income, I created a safety net that allowed me to seize opportunities and weather financial storms without undue stress. Investing in myself through courses and workshops proved invaluable. Gaining new skills and knowledge expanded my capabilities and increased my marketability. This continuous learning approach positioned me to adapt to evolving market trends and seize emerging opportunities, ultimately accelerating my journey to financial success. The impact of mentorship was profound on my journey. Learning from experienced individuals provided invaluable insights and guidance. Mentors helped me navigate complex challenges, avoid common pitfalls, and make informed decisions. Their wisdom and support were instrumental in shaping my path to financial independence. Launching my first business was a pivotal moment. Despite the initial excitement, it came with numerous challenges. Learning to manage operations, finances, and customer relationships was a steep learning curve. However, the experience taught me resilience and adaptability, essential traits for any entrepreneur aiming for success. Overcoming initial business failures was a transformative experience. Rather than being discouraged, I viewed failures as learning opportunities. Analyzing mistakes and implementing changes led to stronger future ventures. Persistence and a willingness to iterate and improve were key to eventually establishing successful and sustainable businesses. Diversifying income streams has been crucial in my financial journey. By exploring multiple revenue sources, I mitigated risks and maximized earnings. This approach ensured stability and offered opportunities to invest in various sectors, amplifying my wealth. Diversification not only safeguarded my finances, but also opened doors to new ventures. Real estate investments became a cornerstone of my portfolio. By purchasing properties in prime locations, I benefited from rental income and property value appreciation. Real estate offered both immediate and long-term financial rewards, proving to be a reliable and profitable investment avenue that significantly boosted my net worth. Venturing into the stock market required careful research and strategy. By investing in a diverse range of stocks, I minimized risks and capitalized on market growth. Understanding market trends and making informed decisions allowed me to achieve substantial returns, making the stock market a key component of my financial success. Financial planning is essential for sustainable growth. By setting clear financial goals and creating a comprehensive plan, I managed my resources effectively and made informed investment decisions. Proper planning helped me stay focused, track progress, and adjust strategies as needed, ensuring long-term financial stability and success. Leveraging technology has revolutionized my financial growth. Utilizing financial software, apps, and online platforms streamlined my investment processes and provided real-time data. Technology enabled efficient management of my portfolio, enhanced decision-making, and opened access to global markets, making it an indispensable tool in my wealth-building journey. Building a personal brand is essential for financial growth. It involves crafting a unique identity that sets you apart in your industry. A strong personal brand attracts opportunities, fosters trust, and enhances your professional reputation. Consistency and authenticity are key to ensuring your brand resonates with your target audience. Social media plays a crucial role in business success. It provides a platform to reach a global audience, engage with customers, and promote products or services. Effective social media strategies can boost visibility, drive traffic, and foster community. Regular, meaningful interaction keeps your audience engaged and loyal. Passive income strategies are vital for financial security. These include investments, real estate, or online ventures that generate ongoing revenue with minimal effort. Diversifying income sources reduces financial risk and provides a steady cash flow. The goal is to create multiple streams that collectively build wealth over time. Financial discipline is the cornerstone of wealth accumulation. It involves living within your means, avoiding unnecessary debt, and making informed spending decisions. Consistent budgeting and saving habits ensure long-term financial stability. Discipline helps in distinguishing between needs and wants, paving the way for smarter financial choices. Managing debt wisely is crucial for maintaining financial health. This means prioritizing high-interest debts, making timely payments, and avoiding unnecessary borrowing. Effective debt management improves credit scores and reduces financial stress. It allows for better control over finances, enabling more strategic investments and savings. The value of hard work and persistence cannot be understated. Every successful journey is marked by countless hours of dedication, overcoming obstacles, and unwavering commitment. Through sheer determination, one can transform dreams into reality, proving that consistent effort is the cornerstone of any lasting achievement. Adaptability and learning are crucial for financial success. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to pivot and acquire new knowledge ensures resilience. Embracing change and continuously updating skills allows one to stay ahead, turning potential challenges into opportunities for growth and advancement. Surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals fosters a supportive and motivating environment. Being in the company of ambitious and positive people encourages personal and professional growth. Their influence and shared goals can inspire greater achievements, pushing one to strive for excellence and remain focused on their aspirations. Building a strong support system is essential for overcoming challenges and celebrating successes. Family, friends, and mentors provide invaluable guidance and encouragement, Their support not only boosts confidence, but also provides a safety net, ensuring that one is never alone in their journey towards financial success. Giving back is a powerful component of a fulfilling financial journey. Contributing to the community and helping others creates a sense of purpose and gratitude. It reinforces the importance of empathy and generosity, reminding us that true wealth is measured not only by financial success, but also by the positive impact we have on others. Continuous learning and improvement are crucial for staying ahead in an ever-evolving financial landscape. By constantly seeking new knowledge and skills, you can adapt to changes and seize opportunities. This mindset fosters innovation and resilience, ensuring long-term success. Never stop investing in yourself and your education. Staying motivated and focused can be challenging, especially when setbacks occur. Setting clear, achievable goals helps maintain momentum. Celebrate small victories to keep morale high. Surround yourself with positivity and reminders of your purpose. This dedication will drive you forward, turning ambitions into achievements. Celebrating small wins is essential for maintaining motivation and recognizing progress. Each milestone, no matter how minor, represents a step towards your larger goals. Acknowledging these achievements fosters a positive mindset and encourages continued effort. It's the accumulation of small victories that ultimately leads to significant success. Balancing long-term and short-term financial goals is key to a sustainable financial strategy. While short-term goals provide immediate gratification and motivation, long-term goals ensure future security and growth. Striking a balance between the two helps maintain financial stability and keeps you on track toward your ultimate aspirations. Luck and timing play undeniable roles in financial success. While hard work and strategy are vital, being in the right place at the right time can amplify results. Recognizing and capitalizing on opportunities as they arise can make a significant difference. Embrace the unpredictability and be prepared to act. Balancing work and personal life is essential for sustained success. Prioritizing time for family, hobbies, and relaxation prevents burnout and maintains mental health. A harmonious balance fosters creativity and productivity, ensuring you remain motivated and driven. Achieving this equilibrium is a vital part of a prosperous and fulfilling life. Health plays a crucial role in financial success. Maintaining physical and mental well-being ensures you have the energy and resilience to tackle challenges. A healthy lifestyle improves focus and decision-making, directly impacting your financial endeavors. Investing in your health is as important as any financial investment. The journey to financial success is filled with invaluable lessons. Every setback and triumph offers insights that shape your strategies and decisions. Embracing these lessons with an open mind and a willingness to adapt is key to continuous growth. Each experience enriches your understanding and guides your future endeavors. Future financial goals and aspirations drive motivation and provide direction. Setting clear, achievable targets keeps you focused and committed. These goals evolve as you grow, reflecting your changing priorities and ambitions. Staying ambitious and forward-thinking ensures a dynamic and progressive financial journey, always aiming for greater heights. The millionaire mindset is characterized by resilience, discipline, and continuous learning. It's about embracing challenges, taking calculated risks, and remaining dedicated to your goals. This mindset fosters innovation, persistence, and a proactive approach to opportunities. Cultivating such a mindset is the cornerstone of lasting financial success and personal fulfillment. Thanks for watching.